Hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick tablescape for you. Now I know many of you are here for the contest winner announcement and we will get into that later, but first let's hop into the quick tablescape. Now this tablescape is going to be for Christmas, but you can definitely tweak it for Thanksgiving. So let's go ahead and get started so we can get on with the contest winner. Alright guys, so I'm going to start here on the buffet and I'm going to put together an arrangement. So I have a mix of evergreens that I'm going to use, as well as some sticks and some berries. Now these sticks came from Hobby Lobby. They were originally brown, but I spray painted them gold.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the shore for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens.
So you're going to fold your napkin in half and then you're going to roll it make a bow. And then you're going to take one of your tails and one of your bows and feed it through the napkin ring. So one tail, one bow, one side of the bow. And then just make your adjustments. All right, everyone, are you ready to see how things turned out? So the moment that we've been waiting for, the winner for the contest. And the winner is Denise Fields. All right, congratulations, Denise. And you have until Friday to contact me with your email address. And my email is down in the description box below. And thanks so much to each and every one of you guys who participated. I truly appreciate you guys. Now, I hope you all have a very safe and happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.